about how can you change or select your dark mode on your hotels.com app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on account. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on security and settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here, then you click here on display appearance. You just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on tag. You just click here on tag, then you click here on done. Then it's going to enable with. That's all you have to do. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.